gon' try and catch me in the backseat of this taxi, driving through the middle of who knows where. The driver said I need to pay for half the meter if I wanna keep going. Well, we're not there, and I don't know if I'm running from or running towards. I don't know if I'm leaving or I'm coming for it. I don't know if I'm scared of what the future holds. It feels like I've been chasing rain, trying to find that pot of gold.
When I walked into the building, damn unfamiliar ceiling. What do I have to look up to? And I don't know who does the billing, but I don't really know and I don't really care. Whatever goes, I just moved away. I gotta act like I was for a pot of gold.
What I'm chasing, do I need these laces?
I don't know.
Yes, I'm tired of these familiar faces.
I don't know
where to go, where to go, where to go. And I don't know if I'm running from or running towards. I don't know if I'm leaving or I'm coming for it. I don't know if I'm scared of what the future holds. It feels like I've been chasing rain, trying to find that pot of gold. Screen door slams, Mary's dress sways on Thunder Road. Feels like I'm chasing rain. I guess I got tired of the same old same thing. I look at this town and there's nothing to gain. But half of me is saying go. I don't know why he's eager, cause the other half is telling me you won't find it there either. Is it you that I'm after? Is it me just moving faster? Is it destination raffle? Is it heaven or a hassle? I don't know if I'm running from or running towards. I don't know if I'm leaving or I'm coming for it. I don't know if I'm scared of what the future holds. It feels like I've been chasing rain, trying to find that rain.